So here is golden coin trick. So I'll be showing you how to make this stuff. Watch the video to full. So this is the measuring cup of the medical bottle. I'm sure that everyone do have at least one of these in your homes. And here this is homemade clay. I have given the link in the description. You can have a look. Using the measuring cups, I'm making several circles. I'm cutting out the circles. These will be used as the golden coins further. You can also use real coins, but I don't prefer that. When you use the real coins, I have seen that the paint really goes away once you scrap it off, and I'm not sure whether it is a kind of long lasting or not. So in that case, I'm using these clay coins. I'm going to dry this in direct sunlight in my terrace. I got this rope from nearby shop, and I have split this into 2 or 4 threads because I think by doing this way this can be more natural. You can see the roots are really amazing once you split up these threads and stick them. You can also use the clay, but I prefer rope because I really love splitting up these threads and making them into the roots of the tree. I wish you to wait and watch the result at the last. As you can see, I am not sticking the whole rope onto the cardboard. I'm leaving away the ends so that I can split them and make them into roots and branches. Split up all the ends. The top one of the tree is the branches, and the bottom are the roots. You can stick the curly ropes as it is, or else you can also pull it up straight and then stick them. It's up to you. It's completely your wish, but I prefer being curly because I really love this texture. please be careful while using the hot glue gun because you might end up by burning your hand. So kids, you're not allowed to do this, so ask your parents or your sisters, cousins to do this. Here is black acrylic color, so I'm going to use the flat brush here. I'm gonna paint all of the cardboard tree coins and everything into black. If you don't have black acrylic color at home presently, so I can give you a tip here. That is, firstly you can wet the rope with water and then apply the paint. So here I'm using this method only. You can see how amazingly it's absorbing the paint. Try to apply this black color paint all over the cardboard. I mean below the coins and the rope. Here I'm using gold acrylic metallic powder for the coins, and for the roots and the trunk of the tree I'm using copper powder. You can get this online or any kind of stationery shop. Start applying gold powder immediately after painting with black, because we need at least a little amount of moisture on the material so that the powder can stick over to the surface. I'm taking a little amount of PVA glue and gonna apply it to the thread, the rope. Because by doing this, I think we can apply the copper powder easily and then stick to them without any difficulty. need not drop vigorously on the rope. It's enough if you just tap over the rope with the copper powder. Just tap on the surface, that's enough. So in this video, to the person who is watching this video right now, I wish you should get all the prosperity and money in your life. So this golden tree is for you, my subscriber. So buddies, please do watch our other videos too. I made all the craft, home decor, jewelry and more videos for you. It's in my playlist. Have a look over that.